अपार्टमेंट AN से गया। Now gangrene, the tissue death due to loss of adequate blood supply. Sometimes bacteria invades such tissue and isolate the tetanus. Clinical features: lacks arterial pulsation, lacks velocity, lacks capillary response to pressure, color return, lacks sensation, lacks warmth, lacks function, and change the color: pallor, dusky gray, mottled, pallor, dusky brown, dark brown, greenish black, or black. Clinical types of the gangrene: dry gangrene, gradually occlusion of arteries circulation due to atherosclerosis. Moist gangrene, wet gangrene, when the artery is suddenly blocked due to embolus. Varieties of the gangrene by caused to arterial obstruction from disease, thrombosis of the atherosclerotic artery, embolus from the inarterial fibrillation or coronary thrombosis, arthritis when neuropathy in diabetes, Gorgas disease, arterial shutdown in Raynaud's disease, arterial injection, thiopentone or toxic drugs. Infected gangrene, abscess, gas gangrene, gangrene of the scrotum, that is called Fournier's gangrene due to trauma, direct injury, knife or blunt, cross injury, compression, physical, heat, radiation, electrical, and venous. Treatment of the gangrene: care of the affected part to improve the tissue oxygenation, control the diabetes, next treatment of anemia, next nutritious diet, anti-inflammatory, antibiotics, and protection of the affected parts. Aneurysm. Next topic is aneurysm. Dilatation of localized segment of the arterial system are called aneurysm. Dilatation of localized segment of the arterial system are called aneurysm. They are either be true aneurysm or false aneurysm. True aneurysm containing the three layers of the arterial wall: intima, media, adventitia. False aneurysm having a single layer of the fibrous tissue such as the wall of the sac, for example aneurysm. Following trauma: shape of the aneurysm: fusiform, circular, dissecting. Etiology of the aneurysm: a trauma, traumatic, syphilitic, collagen disease, mycotic. Symptoms of the aneurysm: symptoms related to the vessels affected, the site supply and the tissue compressed by the aneurysm. Clinical features of the aneurysm: it is divided into intrinsic or extrinsic. Intrinsic swelling is indeed expand, side pulsation is present in the course of artery. The pulsation diminished if proximal pressure can be applied. The sac itself compressible, filling again in 2 or 3 beats if proximal pressure is released. Fill may be palpable. Auscultation sometimes reveal a fluid. Extrinsically, pressure on the vein or nerve causes distal edema or altered sensation. Bone joint or tube such as the trachea and or esophagus are sometimes affected. Differential diagnosis: swelling over the arteries, swelling beneath the arteries, pulsating tumor, and abscess. Abdominal aortic aneurysm, incidence only 2%. Etiology: atherosclerosis, familial, bacterial, aortitis, mycotic aneurysm. Clinical features of the abdominal aortic aneurysm: yes, within 60 to 80 years, sex more common in male, asymptomatic and symptomatic. Symptomatic: expansion, thrombosis, emboli or rupture. Investigation of the abdominal aneurysm: plain X-ray of the abdomen for aortic calcification, ultrasound, CT scan, MRI, angiography. Abdominal risk incidence of surgery, symptomatic. 80% dead in 1 year with surgery, 80% alive in 1 year. Mortality increased with hypertension, lungs, heart or renal disease. Mortality increase in if patient more than 80 years old, operate if fit, mortality less than 5%. Symptomatic, operate if aneurysm more than 55 in diameter, mortality 2 to 5%. Investigation, taking careful history and examination of the patient, routine examination for diabetes, CBC, blood group and cross match, ECG, LFT, blood lipid, electrolytes, urea, chest X-ray, ultrasound of the abdomen to assess aneurysmal diameter, echocardiography, isotope ventriculography, pulmonary function test, CT, MRI, treatment, only operating. Now start Raynaud's syndrome. Raynaud's syndrome is that Raynaud's disease is characterized by Raynaud's phenomena, which is nothing but a series of attacks of local syncopes, local asphyxia and local gangrene. Local syncope consists of tingling, numbness and bleeding. Local asphyxia consists of pain and cyanosis. These attacks are repeated until patch of anemic ulceration appear at the fingertips, which are known as the stage of local gangrene. Commonly, the young woman and upper limb are affected. Treatment: avoid cold exposure, stop smoking, cervical sympathectomy. Warner's disease. This is a condition characterized by occlusive disease of the small and medial size of the arteries, such as plantar, tibial, radial, and etc. Thrombophlebitis of superficial or deep vein and Raynaud's syndrome. Age under the 30 years. Investigation: vascular assessment, ESR, autoantibodies, coagulation, screening, and plasma lipid profile. Treatment: stop smoking, conservative amputation of the lumbar sympathectomy. Now start venous disorder. Introduction: venous disorder are very common and affected the lower limb especially. Total 20% of the population suffer with varicose vein and 2% have skin changes that may precede venous ulcer. Anatomy of the venous system: arterial blood flow through the main axial artery to the upper and lower limbs. It is returned via the deep veins and superficial vein. The upper limb, the superficial vein are more important to carry blood back to the heart. In the lower limb, the superficial vein carry only 10% of the blood, where the remaining passes the deep veins. The superficial vein is like superficial to the muscle fascia of the limb. The principal superficial vein in the leg are long and short saphenous vein. In arm, the cephalic and basilic veins are the principal superficial vein. Venous pathophysiology: blood flow into the leg because it is pumped by the heart along the artery. By the time of emerge from the capillaries, it is low pressure, about 20 mmHg. But this is enough for the blood to return to the heart. Blood from the muscles of the leg return through the deep vein. Blood from the skin and superficial tissues external to the deep fascia. Vein via the long and short saphenous vein communicate deep vein into the deep vein. Valve prevent the flow of blood from the deep to superficial system. Varicose veins. One of the most common problem with the vein of the leg is failure of the valve. These are the frequently superficial system. Clinical features of the Varicose vein. Varicose vein are very common cosmetic symptoms of tiredness, heaviness, symptoms of itching, thickening, bleeding, phlebitis, eczema, dermatosclerosis, ulceration, complication of varicose vein, venous eczema, venous pigmentation, lipodermal sclerosis, superficial thrombophlebitis, venous ulceration, deep vein incompetence. Valvular incompetence of the deep vein may develop in the same way as in the superficial venous system, with the degeneration of the valve caps resulting in reverse flow in these veins. Clinical picture: asymptomatic is most common pain, swelling or edema of the leg, cord-like veins. Investigation: Doppler ultrasonography, Doppler ultrasound examination, ascending venography, dimer, treatment of the varicose vein. To avoid smoking, control diabetes and weight reduce. Injection heparin 5,000 units subcutaneously. Mechanical compression, stopping, yearly mobilization, walking, bed rest and elevation of the leg. Analgesic, anticoagulant, injection of respirotherapy. Now start pulmonary embolism. Thrombi originating mostly in the deep vein of the lower limb and pelvis get detached, pass through the right atrium and ventricle and lodge in the pulmonary arteries. This is known as pulmonary embolism. Clinical features: the patient will complain of dyspnea, chest pain, hemoptysis. Investigation of the pulmonary embolism: X-ray chest, ECG, CT scan, MRI, radioisotope, ventilation, scan of the lung, DD of the pulmonary embolism, acute myocardial infarction, pneumonia and musculoskeletal disorder. Treatment: anticoagulation with LMWH, thrombolysis with steatokinase, pulmonary embolectomy, ventilation support.